Ever wondered what kind of bizarre and jaw-dropping machines the military has hidden in its arsenal? What are the strangest military machines ever built? And are they useful? Today, we'll answer all these questions, showcasing 10 of the weirdest military vehicles in the world. From tank boats to motorbikes with miniguns, these machines seem to challenge the rules of physics. But before we start our journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a video. And now, let's dive in. Number 1. Lun-class ekranoplan. The ekranoplan, a unique ground effect vehicle, is the only one ever operationally deployed as a warship, serving in the Caspian flotilla. Designed by Rostislav Alexiev in 1975, it was used by the Soviet and later Russian navies from 1987 until the late 1990s. Unlike traditional aircraft, seaplanes, hovercraft, or hydrofoils, the Lun-class ekranoplan is classified as a maritime ship by the International Maritime Organization due to its use of the ground effect. The ground effect occurs when the craft flies at an altitude of just a few feet above the surface of the water, significantly reducing drag by preventing the formation of wingtip vortices. This increases the efficiency of the wings, allowing the Lun to glide just above the water's surface. The Lun-class ekranoplan could achieve remarkable speeds and was equipped with 6 powerful turbofan engines, each producing around 28,000 pounds of thrust. Number 2. ZIL 2906. The ZIL 2906 is a screw-driven amphibious vehicle produced in the Soviet Union by ZIL from 1975 to 1979. This unique vehicle, known in Russian as a shnekokhod, is designed to traverse extremely challenging terrains. Its primary purpose was to recover re-entered Soyuz space capsules from difficult-to-access areas. The ZIL 2906 featured 2 large rotating screws instead of traditional wheels or tracks, enabling it to move effectively over snow, mud, swamps, and water. This innovative propulsion system allowed the vehicle to tackle environments that would be impossible for conventional vehicles. The ZIL 2906 was transported on the back of a ZIL 4906 truck, which had a top speed of 50 miles per hour. When the ZIL 4906 reached impassable terrain, the ZIL 2906 was unloaded to continue the search. In 1980, the ZIL 2906 was succeeded by the ZIL 29061, which continued production until 1991. Number 3. BigDog. BigDog is a dynamic quadruped robot developed by Boston Dynamics to assist soldiers by carrying heavy loads, functioning much like a robotic pack mule. It can walk, run, and navigate challenging terrains, maintaining its balance even when kicked. Boston Dynamics, led by Mark Raybert, began developing BigDog in 1995 with funding from DARPA. The project incorporated ideas from Raybert's earlier work at the Leg Laboratory, which started at Carnegie Mellon in 1980 and later moved to MIT in 1986. The BigDog project saw collaboration from researchers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and Harvard University. The goal was to create an unmanned, legged vehicle capable of traversing rough terrain more effectively than wheeled or tracked vehicles. The robot was designed to go wherever a person or animal could, operate for many hours, and carry its own fuel and payload. Number 4. Vespa 150 TAP. In the 1950s, the French Defense Ministry tasked ACMA, Piaggio's French licensee, with creating a military vehicle. This led to the development of the Vespa 150 TAP, with about 600 units produced between 1956 and 1959. Used by the French Foreign Legion and paratroopers, the Vespa TAP could be parachuted into combat zones. It was equipped with a 75 mm recoilless cannon, 6 rounds of ammunition, 2 fuel jerry cans, and a small trolley. The Vespa TAP was produced in 2 camouflage colors, green and sable. Despite its 254-pound weight, the 150cc Vespa remained highly maneuverable. It could reach speeds of 37 miles per hour and travel 124 miles without refueling, making it a versatile vehicle for extraordinary and unusual military applications. Number 5. Surcouf. Surcouf was a large French gun-armed cruiser submarine of the mid-20th century, notable for its 2 8-inch guns, anti-aircraft armament, and a float plane for most of its service. It served initially in the French Navy and later in the Free French Naval Forces during World War II. Named after the French privateer Robert Surcouf, it was the largest submarine built until the Japanese 1-400 aircraft carrier submarine surpassed it in 1944. Surcouf disappeared on the night of February 18/19, 1942, in the Caribbean Sea, possibly after colliding with the U.S. freighter Thompson Likes, although this was never definitively established. The Washington Naval Treaty imposed strict limits on battleships and cruisers, but did not address smaller vessels like frigates, destroyers, or submarines. Number 6. Convair F2Y Sea Dart. The Convair F2Y Sea Dart was an innovative American seaplane fighter aircraft from the 1950s, designed to take off and land on water using twin hydroskis. Although it never entered mass production and flew only as a prototype, it holds the distinction of being the only seaplane to exceed the speed of sound. The Sea Dart was developed to address the challenges of supersonic planes operating from aircraft carriers. However, the program faced numerous issues, culminating in a tragic accident on November 4, 1954, when test pilot Charles E. Richburg was killed after the aircraft disintegrated mid-air. Following this, the program was cancelled, and the 4 surviving prototypes were retired in 1957, with some remaining in reserve until 1962. In recent years, the Little Jet Company has embarked on a project to develop a 4-scale, radio-controlled, twin-jet turbine-powered replica of the Sea Dart. Number 7. Bell X-22. The Bell X-22 is an American vertical, short takeoff and landing experimental aircraft featuring 4 tilting ducted fans. Designed in the 1960s, it could take off vertically with propellers tilted upwards or from a short runway with nacelles angled forward at around 45 degrees. The X-22 aimed to advance the tactical applications of vertical takeoff troop transporters, following the Hiller X-18 and preceding the Bellevuetitien 15. One of its requirements was to achieve a true airspeed of at least 326 miles per hour in level flight. Although the X-22 was not a direct prototype for the V-22 Osprey, it played a significant role in the development of tilt-rotor technology and Bell's research in this area. In 1962, the U.S. Navy requested 2 prototype V-STOL aircraft powered by 4 ducted fan nacelles. Bell Helicopters, leveraging its VTOL experience, developed the Model D 2127, later designated the X-22, and unveiled it in May 1965. Number 8. Antasena. The Antasena tank boat is a unique military vessel designed for Indonesia, an archipelago with 17,500 islands spread across 3,200,000 square miles. This specialized boat serves as a shore-to-shore connector, capable of traveling long distances and providing essential fire support in maritime operations. Measuring 59 feet long and built on a catamaran hull, the Antasena is powered by two 200-horsepower manned engines, enabling it to navigate the diverse and challenging waters of Indonesia. It can carry up to 20 Marines and is currently equipped with a turret featuring a 30mm autocannon. Future enhancements include the option to install larger turrets capable of accommodating a 105mm tank gun. Additionally, the boat is outfitted with a 7.62mm machine gun mounted in a remotely controlled turret, ensuring versatile combat capabilities. With its innovative design, the Antasena tank boat not only enhances Indonesia's military mobility, but also provides vital support for amphibious operations across its vast archipelagic territory. Number 9. TOS-1A Solntsepyok. The TOS-1A Solntsepyok, or Blazing Sun, is a unique Russian rocket flamethrower vehicle based on the chassis of the T-72 tank. Unlike most modern armies that have moved away from traditional flamethrowers due to their limited range and operational time, Russia has embraced this powerful system for its effectiveness on the battlefield. The TOS-1A features a multiple launch rocket system with 24 rocket barrels that can fire all 24 rockets within just 12 seconds. This design allows it to deliver devastating thermobaric rockets, which create powerful shock waves and areas of overpressure, effectively battering enemy positions and providing critical support for infantry attacks. Its ability to inflict area damage makes the TOS-1A a formidable asset in combat, demonstrating Russia's distinctive approach to modern warfare. Number 10. M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle. The M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle is a specialized engineering vehicle designed to clear obstacles on the battlefield, ensuring that ground assaults can proceed without delay. Its unique design resembles a metallic crab, equipped to tackle defensive structures like trenches, minefields, and tank traps, which can impede attacks and give the enemy time to respond. Based on the hull of an Abrams tank, the M1150 features either a combat dozer blade or a full-width mine plow. The dozer blade is capable of bulldozing through enemy trenches, allowing vehicles to advance, while the mine plow can clear paths of anti-personnel mines. Instead of a main gun, the ABV is fitted with two linear detonation charge systems that utilize explosives to safely clear lanes through minefields for friendly forces. And there you have it, folks. These were some of the weirdest military vehicles in the world. From unique designs to strange capabilities, these machines showcase the creativity and innovation of military engineering. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which vehicle surprised you the most. Until next time, stay safe and always stay curious.